Hi, Olga and Ana. Here are your corrections from today's class. Starting with grammar, gastéis es 10 veces más grande que Sarraut. Gastéis is 10 times bigger than Sarraut. Gastéis is 10 times bigger than Sarraut. So today we practice some prefer or I'd rather. So for example, prefiero celebrar las Navidades en casa porque mi hija va a regresar. I'd rather spend Christmas at home because my daughter is coming back. I'd rather spend Christmas at home because my daughter is coming back. Or you could say, I prefer celebrating Christmas at home. Okay, let's see. Another one, we were talking about cooking and food. Prefiero el pescado y la carne cocida o cocinada. I prefer my meat and fish cooked. I prefer my meat and fish cooked. Or I'd rather have them cooked. Okay. If we wanted to use a negative, so no prefiero la carne cruda, you could say, I would rather not have raw meat. I would rather not have raw meat. Okay, now for some other things. For grammar, okay, no me gusta tanto la mostaza ni la trufa. I don't care for neither mustard nor truffle. I don't care for neither mustard nor truffle. And then, okay, that's it.